Yo, what's good? It's two. So it's been a while since I made a video. However, I had to get on here real quick, right? Because are y'all seeing what I see? I don't know about y'all and y'all accounts, but I have never, ever had this stuff here on my MT5. Never. And then I checked another phone to see if things changed and it's the same as it was, right? The reason why this is like baffling me so bad is because I was in the middle of practicing on this account and out of nowhere things just shifted around, man. Like it went from the old stuff to the new stuff. Guys, are y'all seeing this? I can place trades. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I can place trades as I am on this same screen right here analyzing. You used to have to click up here in the top right corner and then it'll take you over here and then you press that button, which is typically over here. Y'all get what I'm saying? Is it me? Have y'all already had this on y'all phones? Maybe it's a me thing. And if it's a me thing, I don't think it is. No, screw that. Because one of the phones is showing the old deal. This one is showing the new. Y'all tell me what y'all screens look like on the MT5. But I'm happy. If you're curious, this is the Alpha Capital Group free trial account. If you're interested in trading with them, guys, they got balance-based drawdown. I will put their information in the description. Maybe I'll throw it over there in the comments as well so y'all can have it. And check this. I'm going to give you a 20.5% discount. So take that for what you will. If y'all want to come over here, let's do this. But I am so excited, guys, because 2 par 3.0, guys, that is a mobile phone strategy. Now, yes, you can do it from the desktop, but to be able to do all of this, man, to be able to place a trade right here on the same screen, man, that is unreal. Unreal. And then check this. So I could take away the one click and then bam, up here at the top, choose any of those freaking times, right? I can choose my the different pairs that I want to trade right there, right? I can go back to AUD CAD as well. Let me try to close this trade. This is just practice, guys, so don't worry about the lot size and all that. That I was still doing US 30, to be honest with you. Which has a different contract size. But anywho, it's all about what I'm talking about right now is the fact that I got a one click, guys. And I know that it always gave you the option for a one click, but in the settings, it gave you an option for a one click, but it just never worked for me. Maybe it's just a me thing. If it's not just a me thing and you guys got the same thing on your phone or you don't have it at all, put it in the comments. Let me know, because I'm just too excited, guys. Y'all see that, man? This is insane. All right. One love, much love, 2 out.